Alright, so you guys seen that I had a lot of footage from up there, and honestly I thought I needed 3 packs. I brought all the packs out tonight. This was a really good investment. I think definitely in the daytime. DJ Mini Pro 3 thing was way up in the air, way up in the sky, guys, and
definitely this drone was totally worth the investment. It was a lot more better than the other one. The gimbal system on this was super smooth. Also, the drone showed no sign of giving up. It flew around the entire night for probably about 15-20 minutes being out. I did cut some footage out of here just to make it really short and simple. Show you guys flying around the drone. Definitely there will be more videos on the channel coming up soon. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. I do wish there was a lot more lowriders to see all the different cars. Next time for sure I am going to try to get a lot more closer to the traffic itself. That way you guys can see everything close up and really test out this camera and its limits. Still a pretty cool night with the trunk and treat vibe going on. Of course, this was last month Halloween, but I just dropped the video of the unboxing today. Starting off November with that banger being up in the air is definitely going to be a game changer for sure.
a really cool night out, and we're gonna actually go ahead and walk around and just check out more in detail. Obviously in the air I can still see a lot of cool stuff, but on the ground, you know, it makes it a lot big difference. TRD style Corolla right over here with the OZ wheels, something I didn't even see while I was in the air just because I wasn't walking around, but they have the area duct taped off. It's a trunk and treat night over here, one specific car club. So you guys know I love the Lolos. It was super cool to be way up in the sky. This thing was definitely worth the investment. I think it's cooler than the other $200 drone that we raffled away for free. So I don't know, I love this thing. Easy controllers, really nice gimbal, really nice vibes. So let's see what else is around this area more in detail.